Life is good and life is nice.
You don't walk out of me? I did not walk out of you. Why are you like this? Can't you see I do not have time for your tantrums at this point? Baby, my driver and my friends are waiting for me outside.
Oh, that is all you have to say to me? That your friends are waiting for you outside? Rose!
Baby, I promise you we will have this conversation once I return. I promise. I promise you, okay? Please. Bye. Crazy?
Calm down.
Are you stupid?
Calm down.
No, are you blind? Can't you see?
It's okay. Who are you?
I should be asking you that stupid question. Who the hell are you?
You should calm down. You must be Rose.
And if I am Rose, do you have a problem with the name Rose?
No. See, you saw me passing and you stepped on me. You should have just greeted me.
I stepped on you or you stepped on my way? Which of the above?
You stepped on me.
You are very sick. You are stupid. As a matter of fact, you are really blind. I have confirmed it. You are mad.
You are mannerless. Yes, you are mannerless and uncultured bitch. What is wrong with
me
you?
Uncultured?
Why are you salting? And your sour mood, don't transfer it to me.
I should not transfer what on you.
Look
at this idiot. Look at this dopamine patient. This fool. Look at this focus. Who is talking? You?
Are you talking to me?
No, I am talking to the ghost beside you. You're a very stupid man, oh. He just walked, burst into me, said to tell me something. Yeah, talking rubbish.
See, I don't have much thing to tell you. But I don't know where my brother find. No. My brother cannot live with a bitch like
you.
Yes.
You are Kelvin?
I'm Kelvin.
Really?
Yes.
And you were expecting me to greet you because you're Kelvin? Really? Now tell me, if I do not greet you, what will you do? Beat me? What will you do? Beat me? Beat me now? My friend, listen, you should listen to me.
I don't have it.
You should listen to me. You cannot come and ruin my trip. Listen to me. Better go inside there and go and deal with your brother instead of you staying out here dealing with a woman. Get out! Don't touch me. You let this girl. I'm not there.
Who is that mannerless uncultured guy just met that side?
What girl are you talking about?
Are you asking me? Is this not your house? Am I supposed to know that? All I know is that that girl is senseless. She has bleached all her senses away. Very uncultured swine.
Hey, Kevin, come on. That is my fiancée you're talking about.
No, that cannot be your fiancée. You can't marry that girl. You can't.
Can you stop it? Like I told you, that is my fiancée.
No. Hey, that cannot be your fiancée. You can't marry that girl. No.
Kelvin, you don't know Bruce. She's a good girl. Fine, I understand. She's in a bad mood, so she must have spoken to you rudely or the way you don't like. But don't judge her by what she just did. See, relax. Let's just calm down, okay? Calm down.
You need to see the way she spoke to me outside. She spoke to me with all manner of insults.
Okay, fine. On behalf of Rose, I say sorry. Sorry for everything she did to you now. She's in a bad mood like I said before. Huh? Don't worry, we'll talk about that later. You just came in, you just vibrated. You didn't even greet me, you didn't even ask if I... Okay, fine, just go inside. Get something to eat. There's food in the kitchen. I said it's alright, get something to eat. Go get your plate. Hi. Do you mind if I join you? So why are you here in the cold? Are you alone? When you're supposed to be enjoying the moment in time?
If you do not mind, I would like to be left alone. I have an issue I need to sort out. I wouldn't be needing any distraction, not even from you.
On the contrary, this is not a place where you bring your troubles and issues to. But instead, you come here to ease your stress. So why is your case different?
Let's just say I'm a different breed. I am different. Now, would you like me to live my life the way I want, without you interfering in it?
That is the attraction there. You are a different breed. I want to be part of your problems. Will you let me in? You know, I still don't know your name. Huh?
Seriously, this was fun, but I think I need to get going.
Oh, come on. You don't need to go.
Why?
You know, suddenly your company has become more interesting than the blasting music in the club. So if you don't mind, I would like to behold this beauty for some more hours.
My friends are waiting for me. And you don't even care if I came with someone.
You know, if you did, then that person just lost you.
I give up. I'm done. Like, I'm done with you.
I like the sound of that. Waiter!
What's up, guys? Where are you guys?
I've been trying to call you, but your number has been unreachable. So I figured out that maybe you've gone back to the hotel. So we're already back to the hotel. Where are you? What's up?
Are you kidding me right now? Are you guys serious? Damn.
What's up?
They already left me.
Well then I guess my driver will drop you off in my hotel. Come on, Dad. You're safe with me. I'm a good guy. Okay?
Yeah, hello? Oh my goodness, God. Oh, okay, I'll be at the airport. Just hold on, you'll see me at the airport, please. In an hour. What have I gotten myself into? I mean, my life is already complicated. I am living in a web of lies which I've already told my fiancé. And here I am into another entanglement. Oh, Rose. I mean, how do I even get myself out of this mess? How?
Rose, when did you come back?
Oh, baby, you startled me. I came back some few minutes ago. How have you been?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Sorry for waking up on you. Yeah, just that I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
So because you were with your friends having fun, you decided not to check up on me.
Come on, babe, it's a girl's trip.
You left me alone all by myself.
I'm sorry, I missed you too.
Missed you. So sit down. So tell me, how did it go? Tell me everything that happened in your trip.
Baby, I can't tell you everything now. Like I said, it's a girl's trip. And I need to freshen up. I need to have some warm beds. Seriously.
You're right.
Yes, I'm alright.
Okay. Alright, let's go inside and so you can take a shower. Let's go inside so you're fresh. You just came here, you didn't even check up on me. You just sat down here like, what's going on? Babe. 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 Babe, are you in there? Babe. She left the earrings. I didn't even get her name. Wow. I had the best night, I must tell you. I don't know who you are or where you're from, but I promise you I'll find you. I will find you.
Back to reality. Rose, I think you should get up and then forget and move ahead, you know. Remember, a mess up shouldn't last more than 24 hours. The wife to be. Oh, hey, come here. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Pause. Sit down. Welcome.
Okay. Someone seems to be in a better mood today.
And that's not a right thing, right?
Most definitely it is. Come on.
What's that look for?
Okay. Fine, I'm looking away.
Stop it now. What is wrong with you girls? Just stop it. Guess what, guys? We have a whole lot to talk about. Thank God you guys are here. I need to talk about so many things. But just before then, I need to get something that we can talk with. You just give me like 5 seconds. I'll be coming back.
Okay. See who's happy. What's up new? Can you imagine? Like she's in a good mood. Yeah. Let's wait to hear the gist. My ears are itching. I can't wait. Amebo, now I'm missing you. Of course, I know.
Why are you here in the cold? Are you alone? When you're supposed to be enjoying the moment in time.
What's going on? Where is she? She said 5 seconds and now it's almost 30 minutes. She's nowhere to be found. I don't know. She's getting more weird day by day. But the question is, what is really wrong with her? How would I know? Anyway, let's just wait and see. Darling, I can't wait anymore. Let me go check on her. I'm worried. Okay. Just tell her to hurry up. I don't know what's keeping her. Are you okay? What's wrong? You've gone for so long, so I had to come check on you.
I've been gone for so long.
Yeah.
I am so sorry. I was actually on my way getting this, but I have a lot on my head, seriously, and it's really driving me nuts.
You have to relax. Yes. You don't have to think too much. I understand how the wedding planning, stress and all that can be. But darling, I want to know that I am here for you. We are here for you.
Thank you so much.
Always welcome.
What would I have done without you guys?
Oh, stop, please. Come on.
Thank you for what you do for me.
What are friends for? You're always welcome. Come on. Let me help you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, so I'm back.
Yeah.
Right. Welcome, bro. Wow. Longest time. Once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Anyways, you know, I said let me just bring you to this place. I know it's not that 5-star hotel or something, but just you can manage it for the now until find something better. You're welcome. The eyes are, but at the same time you can manage it.
Yeah, but it's alright. Thanks.
Yeah, tell me. So how's it been? How's it been?
Just chilling.
Look at you. Ever playing one? You know.
Joan. Yes? It is now very obvious and confirmed that something is troubling Rose. Yes. But what baffles me is why will she not open up to us, our friends?
Yeah, sure. Something truly is troubling Rose. I can attest to that. But I think everyone has a right to their own privacy.
Excuse me? What are you saying? Are you saying it is right for her to keep things from us? Breaking the sisterly code?
No! That's not what I'm saying.
Then what are you saying?
You just have to calm down first, okay? What I'm saying is we just have to take it easy with Rose and not add more troubles to her. Let her handle things her own way and at her own pace.
Okay, fine. Just that I'm worried. I am.
You don't have to be worried. Let's just leave her. Please.
Before I choke, let's see. Oh, wait, hold on. So, you still have not changed. Wait, you're telling me you had a one-night stand with a girl you know nothing about, not even her name?
Sounds funny, right? Sounds like a scene cropped out from a movie, huh?
Hey, come on, you got that word from my mouth. Huh?
All I know absolutely nothing about this girl and have no idea where I can find her. But I still can't get her off my mind. You see, this girl is the most beautiful girl I have ever seen all my life. But I've got plans. After your wedding, I intend to set up a search party for this girl in Abuja. I'm very sure I'll find her. Very serious about it.
This is getting serious. Wait. I can see somebody's in love with a mystery one-night stand. For real?
You can say that again, man. You can say that again. Listen, bro.
Okay.
Enough about me. Let's talk about you.
What about me?
How's your wedding plans going? I mean, when do I get to meet your Mrs. Right?
Oh, don't worry. Very soon. Just very soon. You see, I really do not like stressing her because she's fragile, you know. So, we're planning our wedding. We're doing everything, but putting things together. For me not to stress her, I had to get 3 event planners to get our wedding ready. So all she's just doing is just trying to tell them what to do. Yeah, I need this, do it. I need this, do it. Well, she's good.
Mr. Bombastic.
Mr.
Romantic.
Okay. Well, don't worry. I think I'll talk to her so she can get things ready for dinner. Probably we'll invite you to the house so you can do dinner with us. So I can do official introduction, introduce you to her, you get to meet her, to see the angel I'm getting married to. So don't worry. I'll give you the time and date when she'll be ready for that.
Please don't make me feel bad, man. Don't make me feel like I'm left out. Yes. The way you're saying all those things, I don't know how to feel at all. Well, but I must tell you, wife to be, not your wife yet.
Hey, come on. You sound jealous. I don't get it. Wife to be also just one step ahead. And soon I'm going to be doing that. Pay her bride price, make her my wife. Moreover, what does married people do? Married men, married women do what they do. She lives in my house. I take care of her. I have access to her. So the only thing remaining is just for me to pay her bride price. Just that much. 21 naira and buy all the things. Hey, come on. I can still call her my wife, man.
You know, I think I have a way to find my mystery woman. My cupcake, like I found the call her. Yes.
Okay.
She left me a souvenir.
Oh, hold on. Sorry. Excuse me. Hello? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. All right, I'm coming over. Yeah. Good. Bro, sorry, I got an emergency. Office call. So I have to be there to tidy up things. Once I'm done, I'll give you a call.
Not a problem. I'll just see you after the car.
Nice meeting you once more, bro.
And you keep meeting me every day.
Hey, babe.
Yeah, how are you?
Hi, baby.
How you doing?
I'm good. Welcome.
Uh-huh.
Mwah. How are you?
I'm alright. So
Welcome home. How was your day?
I'm good. I'm good. So what are you doing?
I'm just working on the company some forums.
How? I don't understand. Don't tell me you've not done what I asked you to do. No? No, of course. We talked about this before. Don't tell me you haven't done it.
Baby, what you're asking me to do, it's a whole lot.
What? So you want us to start this all over again? I told you I have enough money to take care of you. I do not want my wife to start stressing herself because of peanuts. So I told you, stop that job. Okay?
Baby, I heard you. Why are you screaming?
I'm not screaming, but I'm
not going to sit down here and watch you disrespect me and my job. No, I won't. I do not want to be a housewife. I don't want to wallow under your hard work and sunning. I want to work for myself. I want to fend for myself.
I'm not ready to talk about this again, okay? Listen, so many women out there would be so happy to be in your position.
Really?
Yes!
Wow. So why don't you go and marry those women and let me be?
For real?
Because I am not going to put my job not for you or any man out there. I won't.
Oh! You called me just any man? Really?
I'm sorry if that's the way you say it. I'm just saying that I cannot quit my job, please. If you love me, you should try and understand.
I will find you very soon, my cupcake. And when I do, I promise you I will go to any length to make sure you are mine.
Well, it was at this point, now I know say I don't mess up. To mess up is allowed, but allowing them know that you already messed up, now you be the real mess up. Rose don't ever mess up. After all, US and UK, that is same abroad. Let me talk up. Hello, Mom. Mom, how are you? Hi, stepdad. Mom, please, I need to know, when exactly are you coming back to the country? Because I am tired of shifting my wedding dates. Mom, come on. This is not, I mean, why are you always all about business all the time? This is your child's wedding we're talking about, your only child. You should make her time and come back to Nigeria. Mom, this is not fair. Business can wait. My happiness comes first. Okay, Mom, just try and make it, I mean, you need to be here as soon as possible. Please. Okay, Mom. Bye. Love you. Hi, babe.
Hi. What is it this time around? Babe, come on. Why don't you go on low-key wedding just like I've always suggested? Eh? In that case, we can go get your kinsmen to represent your mom and stuff.
Please, babe. Do not even go there one bit. Why would you even think I'll allow you to get some kinsmen to represent my stepdad and my mother? I am all she's got. Please. Just a little more time. I'm really pressing pressure on her.
We've been waiting. Come on. How long are we going to continue to wait? We have shifted this wedding date for like 3 times. So what? Okay, now, what day did she come? We don't have a date she's coming. So keep waiting and waiting.
Calm down, she will come. Why are you acting so paranoid?
I'm not. I have waited enough. And moreover, I want to have you.
You're raising your voice at me.
Alright, sorry, babe, come on. Relax. I don't want a situation I'll be telling my friends, my wife will tell me, hey, come on, you're not married yet. And moreover, come on, you know everybody. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose you. At least once I'm married to you, and okay, yeah, you're secured. You're not my wife. As far as I'm concerned, we're still dating. It's still courtship. It's not married yet. You're not answering my surname. Try to understand what I'm saying.
I can understand you. You don't need to swallow me up, babe. I'm on it.
Hey, what's up, Zola? What's good, bro? What's going on? Well, I'm fine. How's business? Oh, great. Oh, no, I'm not coming to the club today. I'm actually out of town. Yes. Well, listen, Zola, the reason why I called you is because there's this girl I met in your club. I do not know her name, and I forgot to take her number. Alright? I think I've fallen in love with her, and I want to see her again. Well, she's tall, she's fair in complexion, and very attractive. Yes, I mean very, very attractive. Of course, you know Zola is the only man who knows his way around and knows all the happening babes in town. Abuja is your town, I mean. You know what I'm talking about. You what? Zola. You seem to have forgotten the kind of man I am. Listen, I'm serious about this, okay? So I want you to send me your account number so I send you your mobilization fee immediately. Good. Thank you very much. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Great. Bye.
I don't know why you wouldn't listen. when I'm talking to you.
Hi, Kelvin. Hey, baby.
How are you?
Hi.
Kelvin, my wife is greeting you and you're ignoring her. Why?
Which wife?
What do you mean, which wife?
I can't see any wife here. All I see here is a self-sabotaging bitch.
What?
Excuse me. Listen, Kelvin, I can understand that you were angry with me about what happened the other day. But come on, you don't have to insult me. I am not a bitch. I am your brother's wife. And I'm truly sorry for whatever that happened. But no matter what, you should have called me some respect. I deserve it.
Respect is earned. Yes.
Hey, guys, come on, stop it. Stop it, okay? What was all this? Huh?
You have eyes, but you can't see. Don't you know that this girl is pretentious? Huh? She's a snake under the green grass.
Hey, Kevin, enough. Stop it, okay? Listen, I don't know the grudges you have against her. But listen, Rose is a sweetheart. She's a good girl. Come on, respect her. If not for anything, for your brother's sake.
Baby, you know what? I can't stand this. Your brother cannot walk into my matrimonial home to insult me. You should go.
Bro, I hope when your eyes open, you will know what I'm talking about.
Wow. Nice one. Huh?
Babe. Rose.
Yeah, yes, babe. Baby.
Is it for the
Is he here? Yes. Okay, I'll just give you some time.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
What's up, nigga? What's up? Look at you.
Man, look at this. This is big, bro.
Hey.
This is massive.
Hey,
Just go. Look at
this.
this. Oh boy, what's in this?
Hey, take it easy.
Edifice.
Come inside, bro. Come inside. You're welcome.
Man, this is
Welcome
big.
to my house.
This is big, man. Nice one.
Let's do. Come
Man.
Yeah. Welcome to my big soup.
Brian, what? This is big. This guy
Just
just
there.
out there pretending, huh? Wow.
Oh yeah, this is the sitting room I have, yeah? Alright, let me show you around. Come on. Come on, what is it?
Please show me around.
Why are you
I
making
need to
this?
see everywhere.
What? Yeah, this is
Babe. Babe. I thought I heard voices.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Come.
Wow.
Have a seat.
Brian,
Oh,
you're doing
just,
so well.
Thank God for everything.
Damn.
It's okay. Yeah, so tell me, any luck in finding your mystery girl?
My cupcake. Patience. Patience is key. One thing I assure you is I'm going to find this girl. I will do whatever it takes to find her. Trust me.
I like your faith. I like that courage.
Hey,
Yeah, babe, come. Yeah, meet my friend. Ronga, meet my wife. Finally, you.
Hey.
Are you alright?
Yes, hi. Yes.
Hi.
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 How are you?
I'm good.
I'm Ruga.
Rose.
Nice to meet you. So, what is
it? Baby, I think I'm having running stomach. I need to use the restroom. And the table is already set. Okay? I'll join you guys soon.
Hurry up and join us. Okay? Oh, yeah. No, women with their slobs. Alright, let's go to the dining and eat something.
Yes.
Hey, come on.
The dining, yes.
Alright, let's do justice to this food.
Hello, babes. Please, I need to see you guys. It is urgent. Just come over to the house. I'll tell you when you get here. Please. Okay. I'll be waiting.
Yeah. Hope you enjoy the food. And I must tell you, that meal was sumptuous. Thank you so much, bro. Yeah. See, Rose is not just a good cook. She's very faithful, caring, and hardworking.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I see that written all over her. She is. She must be. You're lucky, my man.
Thank God for meeting her. For bringing her.
Hi.
Hi. I thought you left. I never knew you were still around.
No, we just finished eating. We just finished eating the food. Oh, yes, he's still here. He was singing so much praises about the food you cooked. And I told him, wait until she cooks unugbu soup for you to eat. Well, I must tell you, the food was great. Thank you very much.
Thank you, babe. I think I need to use the restroom.
Again?
Yeah, I don't get it. I don't know what I eat.
All right.
Okay.
Try and get some medication and take her.
Okay.
Anyways.
Listen, man, I just remembered I had a lot to do before I came here. So I need to go take care of business, okay? I will come again to see you.
Oh, let me get the car keys, so I'll drop you off there.
Is that necessary? I
You want
just
to check? You
take
want
the
to?
car.
I come out, I'll drop you. Wait for me. Hold on.
It's alright, bro. It's alright.
What are you doing here? Listen, you have to leave right now.
Why? Why did you leave the hotel the way you did the other day? I have been searching for you. everywhere since that night.
Searching for me for what? I am engaged, soon to be married to your friend.
I think you skipped out information the nights we had fun together.
I was drunk. And I would wish you not to speak about that night again.
How?
Just move on.
How do you expect me to move on? Well, that night is the best night I have ever had in my life.
You don't get it, do you? I was drunk. It was a mistake. It wasn't supposed to be... Yes,
Why are you lying to yourself? I know you missed that dick.
Can you stop it? Are you dumb or what? I just told you it was a mistake. Stop talking about that night. I did not want to hear about it. Don't you understand it? I was drunk. It wasn't supposed to be so. But it happened. It was a mistake. A huge mistake for me. I have a wedding at hand, you know.
It was a blessing to me.
Do you mind leaving my house right now, or else you will see the other side?
Else?
What?
You tell me. Else what? Tell me you missed my dick.
Listen, just stop it.
You missed that big, rugged pipes, yeah?
Hey! Mama! Mama, hold on. Stay there. Stay there, Mama. No, they promised me that rubbish. I don't like it. Don't stop doing this thing. Mama, see, I tell you, I'm a very big girl now. Tell me, you know they do this kind of thing. Every time I told you, call my sister on the phone. Call my sister on the phone and tell my sister I want to come to the city to see my sister. You know, green, call my sister. You they deceive me. This I know I be small picking. You just say I'm me, your son told yesterday. I'm a big girl now, Mama. A big girl.
Somto, what is your problem? Let me ask you. Why are you behaving like this? Your sister told me that she's coming to this village to pick you. I mean, she wants to take you by herself to the city. And you are behaving like this, Somto.
Hey! Heaven and earth. God wait there for heaven. My mama is still lying at this old age. My mama is a liar! Mama, the kingdom of God say, the kingdom of God suffereth violent, and the violent one taketh it by force. Now I take my things violently from your hand. So Mama, I will not stay in this house with you. Now only you go there, yeah, and they go Asaba.
Somto, so, kingdom of God taketh it violent, because no again, by force. And then you want to take it by force on me. Somto Chukwu, who are you going to leave me with in this whole house? So you want me to stay alone? So you want me to stay all alone in this house? And
why you talk like this? Mama, why are you emotionally blackmailing me? It's not good. This thing they do no good. Now bad thing. So you want make I suffer with you, die for this house, for this big house alone at my age? You know, Mama, go city, go help my life, Mama. Is that what you are saying? Mama, you are wicked. I will not go try her, Mama. I will not go try.
Somto, come here. Somto, come here.
Only you won't catch me. I think you won't catch me. Now only you not go dead this house, Mama. I dey go Asaba. City here I come. I dey go city now. You cannot stop me. You cannot stop.
Come back here. Hey! So, Somto Chukwu now is giving me an adage. The children of God suffer violent. So this girl wants to leave me, her own old mother, all alone in this compound. I'm a big girl now. Big. Hey! We shall see. Come back here, oh! Come back here, Somto.
Okay. Rose. What is it? Are you okay? I'm okay. It's just that I have a lot on my head right now. But why are you guys late? I've been waiting for you guys.
I'm sorry. It was the traffic. I'm sorry, the traffic.
What traffic? I asked you guys to come a long time ago. If you were here, I'm sure I would have averted so many things.
We are sorry.
Of course, you're always sorry whenever you're late. I mean, you guys are always coming late, right?
At least we are here now.
So, what is it about?
I don't understand.
I beg up for something to drink. What is what? Huh?
Let me just get something that we do. I mean, I can't order my friends to come and see me again without having something to discuss about.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm coming, guys.
It was a blessing to me.
Do you mind leaving my house right now, or else you will see the other side?
Else? What? You tell me. Else what? Tell me you missed my dick.
Listen, just stop it. Wait.
You missed that big, rugged pipes, yeah?
This boy, you will never change.
How the hell do you want me to change?
Okay, nah, no problem, no problem. Alright, so tell me, what about that your mysterious girlfriend?
Oh, she, well, I'm over her now. Yes, it was just a one-night stand. I've got other people.
Ah, God. May God have mercy on my friend.
Of course, yes, and also grant me my heart desire.
Your heart desire.
Yeah.
Bad
So
guy.
please,
I
listen.
knew it. I knew it was going to end like this. You. Okay, one day you meet your match.
Me? Please, let's talk about business.
Okay.
So what about the property you told me about the other day?
Oh, yeah, they finally called me, I think 3 days ago. And yeah, the agent said the owner is ready to sell finally. And he also called me that there's one other property in Lekki. Yeah, in Lekki. So I'm just trying to put some money together so I can go get them.
Put money together. Why don't you let me buy this one so that the other ones that come out you can buy?
Oh, you're interested?
Of course I am.
All right, no problem. When I'm done buying it, I'll sell for you. Look at you. Thank God you don't even have their number. I know you would have boycott me and go get that.
No, I wouldn't do that to you.
You won't buy it.
I won't do that to you.
When I'm done with that business, I will sell some parts for you.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Welcome. One did yours.
Good afternoon, bros.
Afternoon. How are you? One did yours. How much?
I dey look for my sister.
You dey look for your sister.
How
your sister be?
My sister, Obiageli, she tall, she fair well. It remains small, you escape Abino. You know why? When my mama born her, e collect all the yellow wey dey my mama body. Comot, come leave small yellow for me, I no come yellow again. Na so my sister dey wicked dey go, but no, I come here ask, where she dey?
How? I don't understand. Your sister no tell you where she dey stay for here?
Where be this place?
Na Asaba be this now.
Na Asaba be my sister house na.
This is Asaba now. Open am for Asaba now you dey like this.
But I no understand you, I no understand.
Me too, I no understand you.
When I come up from village, I tell my mama say I dey go my sister house, and my sister house na Asaba. Cause na Asaba my sister say be house. So I don't come Asaba. So now my sister house, I say take me to my sister house. Where my sister?
I cannot take you to your sister house. This is Asaba State. Now inside Opanam now we dey now.
Asaba for Delta State. Inside the Opanam now we dey like this. Opanam. So your sister supposed to tell you say now this side that they stay for Opanam or na this side that they stay. It's supposed to tell you now. Have you not tell her before you start to come out?
I not tell her. I say make I surprise them.
Hey. You know tell your sister say you they come. You want surprise them. Hey, I'm sorry, your sister don't surprise you with that. Ha! I want for you. You don't take risk, you.
Hey, Kevin, listen. I will not have you call me on the phone and speak rubbish about my fiancé. Don't even try it anymore.
Mad.
Hey, babe. Are you okay? Baby, you're not fine. You need to calm down, whatever it is. You look so upset.
Now, when I wait till they talk since you.
Who you be? Who you dey find?
Bros, I don't tell her many times. I say that my sister come as about come find.
Wait, you dey find your sister. You come Asaba, come find your sister. You dey find person where you don't know where they stay.
No, my sister na Asaba na in the house.
Yeah, in Asaba. Which particular place in Asaba?
I don't know now. My sister tell me say he stay in Asaba. I come up from my village, come find my sister for Asaba. Asaba be say in my sister house.
You don't know see where you dey na no good. You go find person come Asaba. You don't know where she dey stay. You find her come Asaba. Do come dey come up for here. Which one be say you find person come Asaba? You don't know where she dey stay. Have you not get anybody wey fit call or any trace how want to see your sister?
Okay. Bros, none of body never hot. I get my sister phone number. I get your old phone number.
Call her now.
I no get phone. Bring your phone. I'll take call her.
No, I give her that.
I give her that your small phone. Which kind of person is this one?
I no carry her.
I think.
Oga, call her by yourself. 080. Oh.
Now person number you dey call so.
Na my sister number.
Oh.
You don't write 080.
I don't write that.
000.
Oh, again?
30 first before.
Okay, they go.
I put another 00. Oh again.
Oh.
Before 222.
222. You sure say this thing now? Which slide be this?
I don't know the line.
Wait.
Wait, my call you 080. 222.
My person phone number be this.
I just tired. Wait till I count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I beg you, call him for him.
Well, make I try now.
Hey!
I see people they drive.
Hello?
These people they drive better.
Hello, madam.
Yes, hello. Auntie Nani! Sister Nani!
What?
Na Santa Chuku. I dey city. I dey for your Saba for your house.
Where? How?
Na two robbers Naomi. Two brothers Naomi.
No, listen, calm down, relax, please. Can you let me talk to the owner of the phone, please?
Under the umbrella.
Yes.
Hello? Man, give her phone. My sister say make you use it.
Hello, madam. She dey up on her road, back of NTA. If you just enter that road, you go see where they sell beans and plantain. One woman where they sell beans and plantain. Beside that, you go see a small POS umbrella there. There she did.
Tell her say I dey with you now. Una dey with me.
She did here with us.
Yes, I know the place. I am coming right away, please. Okay, see you.
Rose, what is it? Rose!
My sister.
Which kind of person you be? You just find person come as I be, no know where the person is stay.
No worry, no fear. If my sister come now, I go give you something. But this one I don't give me now. My sister go give you something. Because I know say my sister na better person, a big woman.
You dey wait for her now.
Okay.
You dey wait for me to come.
Hey, my sister! My sister be this. I tell you, my sister be like, but you want to smoke you like that,
Madam, your sister don't get brain. You just come as Saba saying they find you. You know that Saba gets places for Saba.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Yeah.
And she know the able send this. She know say she dey happy. Person dey lost, she still dey happy on top.
What do you want to do? Sister, I tell you, say you go be there. Thank you, my sister. I'm big woman. My sister, I'm big woman. I dey tell her, I know say I'm big woman, sister. Papa treat me well, baby, better too.
Thank God say come out.
Thank you. Your head can just do this.
Nah,
Wait. Calm down. Jesus. God, you have been smelling in that car. This text from you can kill even a poor rat. Kill on Shelley. See, you are leaving this house first thing tomorrow morning. Back to where you came from.
Sister, this thing is not good. Sister Begele, why are you talking to me like this?
My name is not Obegeli. My name is Rose. What did I say? Rose. If my husband or any of his members of his family find out that my name is Obegeli, I will kill you. Do you understand me? First thing tomorrow morning, I'll give you 100,000. You go back to Mama. Go back and take care of her. Don't come back to the city. Don't ever show your face again with that stench from you. That is your vagina smell. Let us go. I said the name is Rose. What did I say? Rose. Oh, Rose. I don't mean say Rose. It's Rose. Hey, baby. Hey, babe.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Hope everything is okay. You ran off.
Sorry, I went to pick a distant relative of mine. This is Tonto Chukwu and she'll be staying with us for a night. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, your house is very beautiful. How cool? Tonto, take your back this one. I'll be right back, babe. This way, I'll show you.
If you like, they look me, you know go fit see me finish. Since I come this house, tell you to look me. Don't like that for them to look me, you know go fit see me finish. You jet you. Raz. Begeli. Bonya lanko ni. Onya lando. Mwazi bonya lanko ni. Onya lando. Ifoma bonya lanko ni.
How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Are you the girl that came yesterday with my fiancé?
Yes, sir. It's me.
Oh, I see. Sorry about yesterday. I was so down, so I could not. Wow. Nice one. Nice one. Good work. Everywhere is sparkling. You must be hardworking. Huh? Nice one.
Thank you very much, sir. I did hard working well for my village. Everybody know that. But it's my pleasurable for the thing where you tell me. My pleasurable.
Pleasurable.
My pleasurable, sir.
Anyways.
What's going on here?
Oh, baby.
Hi, babe.
How are you? How are you doing? Yeah, I was just... you can see her. Yeah, I was just commending her. Can't you see everywhere is sparkling? She's so hardworking. See, even the girl we paid, we employed to come and do this job, is not even doing the way she's doing it.
Hey, everybody wey dey the city, una eye just dey up. Nobody eye dey down. I can't wonder. When I come this house, we see us na house scatter. I don't work, so tell I don't tire.
No, maybe what she's trying to say is that she's leaving today. Actually, her mother is very sick in the village. So she needs to go and respond to the mother in this.
Hey, come on, babe. Stop. Don't be uptight. Huh?
No, I'm not. Something that's what they're trying to say, right?
Just allow her. Relax. She just came in. Allow her to enjoy herself. Relax. Fresh in her hair. She just came in. Don't you allow her to enjoy the free breeze in the city. So, see, relax, eh? You want to go to the village? Go for it. Relax and enjoy yourself. So that when you go back to the village, relax now, chill. She doesn't want to go. Allow her to stay. Eh? Enjoy, eat food, freshen up. So that when you go back to the village, people will know that yes, you came to the city.
Oh my God! Excuse me? Are you crazy? Are you not? Did I just say you said my guy on my fiance?
Wait, this is unbelievable. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Are you mad? Are you crazy?
Rose.
Is something wrong with you?
Rose! What has come over you?
What are you trying to do? Will you take your tacky-wacky ass off my... Get up! Get out from this place! Get up! Get it up! Come on, pick this rubbish! Pick it up! What nonsense!
No, Rose, that was so rude. Haba!
Who was so rude? I don't understand. Is it that you guys are not seeing or did you see the stupid dirty loaf of bread she came into the parlor with? Oh, you were expecting me to just be calm and watch her stain my cushion with her tea buttocks.
You should have just spoken to her, communicate with her like a normal human being. I thought you said she was a relative.
Oh, please. Distant relative. Very, 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 very long distant relative. What is the meaning of this? No, what is this? Are you guys attacking me or what? And what are you doing?
You're not blind, ain't you? I'm leaving. Hold on. I'm going with you. When you learn some manners, come on.
Come back. We're not even done with the discussion. Hi. This girl has got a punch you. Somebody!
Thank God, though. She thinks she gets sense. As her friend discharged from the other side, me too. I in charge to this place. She don't know say I had for under step. We knew. Tonto, I didn't know you were around. See, I was trying to remove something from his eyes. That I was trying to pluck it out. Pluck it.
Okay, yes. It's true, I can see it. You are plucking it in. Continue, it's very nice.
No!
Plucking it.
You see, you came out to what? Go and sit down. Yes, see the remote. Just put whatever you want to put. Yes, you were about leaving.
Yes, I just...
Yes. I'll tell you. Okay. Tonto. Oh, baby.
Hi, baby. How are you?
Hi. Welcome.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. You came back so early.
Oh, yes. I saw Roga outside.
Okay.
And I decided to come inside to talk to you.
Wow, okay. Sit down.
Yes. Roga will be staying with us for now until we fix another wedding date.
What?
Yes. He has no place to stay. We have to accommodate.
Wahala be like pepper soup. Pepper, they fly everywhere. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
You don't see your remote for outside. Then give me your remote. Now I make it off your hands. There is no problem. Well, sir.
Tonto,
Sir,
please you help me arrange that visitor's room. Okay?
he's on it.
See it up. Roga will be using it for now.
Okay? You say who?
He said Ruka will be using the room for now. Don't you understand it?
Sister. Not true.
So me. Hey, my love. Where are you going to with your bag again now? Hey?
Hey. So now I don't be so me. So me. So now I am not so me. When you were calling me that I'm a dirty girl, that I'm a village champion, you're calling me local girl. Now I'm not your so me.
God forbid. You're not a village champion. You're not a local girl at all. Me said it how? Okay. See, I'm sorry for the way I might have been treating you all this while. Hey? Forgive me. You are my blood now. You are my blood.
Don't touch me again.
I beg. Sorry. No verse. You're my blood. You are my sister. One blood tie us together. I beg.
So now you know say blood tie us together. I don't they go back to that village where you talk to make I go. You tell me say make move your house since so I won't come out. I don't they go.
No, wait. See, you can stay in the house for as long as you want. My home is your home. My house is your house.
I they go.
I beg now.
Where your husband? I want check something.
My husband, Dikeh. What are you doing with my husband, Dikeh? Please now, I'm sorry. See, this house, in fact, you can stay as long as you want to stay. My home is your home. Let me help you.
Don't help me carry my bag. Leave her. I want to see your husband. Go tell one shake. Just go see your husband. I want to see your husband.
You need to leave. I mean, why would you even accept this offer in the first place? Couldn't you have said no?
You know, this is not the right way to welcome your visitor. And of course you cannot deny the fact that my touch is irresistible.
In your wildest dreams. The wildest of them all.
Well, this will be fun.
Be my guest.
So what Hey.
Oh, hi. Sorry, I was is Rose in? I was calling her, but she's not picking.
Well, she stepped out, yes.
Okay, I was just passing by, I chose to drop by. Okay, I'll come some other time.
It's alright.
Thank you.
Take care. Yo, what the hell are you? I told you I had a meeting by 10, so what's keeping you, bro? What's up? Yo, listen, man, I don't want to be late. Alright? Hurry up.
Sorry. I heard you making a call. You're calling your cab. Do you mind if I drop you off?
Are you sure about this?
Very sure, please.
Alright, then I'll just go inside, get some stuffs, and then we head out.
Okay.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so I know the other time I went back to the States, you know, I had somebody how to fuck, you know.
Wow.
And yeah.
Really, you're not really looking bad.
Oh, really?
Oh,
That's
wow.
what they call me Beto.
Oh, really?
Beto.
Oh my god. You know, I was trying to ask you, when are you coming back? Oh my god.
Shush, POS.
Something. What did you just do? Something. Are you not aware I was watching a program right before you came into this place to change it?
Is that why you are shouting at me? Why you dey shout now?
Are you not? Are you mad? Are you sick in the head? Have you lost your sense of timing or what? No, what gave you the guts, the temerity, the panache to change my station?
What I know be say I won't watch film now.
It seems you have grown wings in this house. You no longer know your place, right? I am going to surprise you by cutting off those wings of yours immediately.
Ha! Well, Chimo, if you speak English finish, you go rest. Now what I know. Mind yourself.
Let me have the remote.
Which remote? Which remote?
So let me have the remote.
Hey! You want to drag the remote with me?
Let me have the remote.
Hey, come and try it now. Come and collect it. Come and.
Hey, what's the problem again? How are you?
A wonderful one at that, trust me.
Oh, I see. This is strange.
What is strange?
Come on, what do you mean what is strange? It's 6 p.m. and you're not watching your program.
Oh, baby, I was just about going upstairs to go and watch it.
Hey!
Upstairs?
Yes, upstairs.
But that is not where you normally watch your program.
Ha!
You like watching it here because the screen is bigger and you have a better sound here.
Hey,
so why are you going upstairs?
I am talking to my husband to be. I changed my mind, baby. I want to watch it upstairs with you whilst I give you a good massage for the stressful day. Which you had.
Okay. No, your wish is my command.
Shall we?
Alright.
Oga!
What is it? What?
I want to tell you something.
I want to tell you something.
Oga! This is strange. Yes, it's strange. So Obegere dey lie. As if they lie give this man, they look this man face to face. Obegere is saying lies.
And when I remember that time when they go confession for church that time, but that same one no dey talk lie. I was beginning follow, they beat me that time say do not say lie. But now beginning a liar. Obi the liar. Hey. They check the door. The thing they do like magic. Now American door. Good afternoon. Who you dey find?
Good afternoon. I'm looking for my brother Brian.
You dey look for your brother Brian. Your brother Brian, now you find. Leave where you go. Wait for the come. You walk out finish from wherever you are coming from. You can't look for your brother Brian. They tell you say that they sell brain for this house. Who do they sell brain? Here na people house. My sister has time.
Is my brother in Brian?
What can I do?
Brian.
Eh?
I'm looking for my brother, Brian.
Brian!
Yes.
That man, Ghana, nothing for talk. You didn't use another song. I'm not going to Brian. I say it's a cannot come here. Come like brain. Good afternoon, sir.
He's your brother.
Now your brother?
Yes.
They come they keep this kind of hair. This kind of hair with the thing they do while you're assassin. They come like say because your brother here, they okay. More bros, you hold on. The person has to enter, not the rush. I don't know, you just they come. Calm down. Hold on. Just they follow me. If they move, you follow me. Just they come. No, small, beg. No rush me. I mean, you want to me back.
This is my brother's house.
I know, you want to me back. The way they follow me for back. No, calm down, small they go. They come. Hold on. They hold on, make I go tell them. You say that.
Bro.
Say no now.
Kelvin. Bro, what are you doing in my house?
Are you serious? You are my brother. I can come to your house whenever I want.
And you lost it the day you started disrespecting my wife.
Which wife? You are not married to her yet. No. Because I told you the truth, that is why you are shedding tears. No. You are not married to her. You know I'm telling you the truth.
Now leave my house.
I should leave your house.
I said get out of my house now.
Don't say I did not warn you.
Kelvin, leave if I push you.
I should leave.
I said leave!
Alright.
Sorry, sir. My mistake. Hey. Let's everybody with the city don't call you. No be how you my sister did the shout for me. She's speaking English, they insult me. I look at her and say, get out of here. Get out! I say, what? Now me, my sister did speak big English. Now her husband still there. He face his brother. They tell him say, get out. All these people get wicked mind for this city. Let's say not the same chemical my sister and my husband they take. Let the boy too get out. With the kind hair where he can say people as I open door, that's how they feel now.
Dad, are you serious?
Daddy. Oh, the fight. That I already sent them to your email. Oh, for real? You already done working on them? That I'm not surprised because you're a workaholic. Yeah. Oh, what problem? Okay, Dad, don't. All right, I've heard you, Dad. Don't worry. Okay, I'll do my own investigation and I'll get back to you. All right. Then.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. So I said, might tell you say your food done, or the way you can shop.
I can shop. Have you told Madam that the food is ready?
Hey, sorry, Madam.
Yes.
She dey upstairs. She tell me say she no want follow you eat. Tell me you eat alone.
Say she know dey follow you dey chop, she go chop alone.
Ah,
Yes.
she don't want shop.
She no wan chop. She wan chop alone.
Alright, since she don't want shop, well, I'm coming to come and shop.
Okay, sir.
Alright, thank you. Thank you for the food. Anyways.
Sir, I beg, no vex for this thing I want to tell you. Me, no vex for me, I beg.
No, I'm not angry. Continue, say it.
Now come closer. Sir, now about this thing where you and your brother they do, as now they quarrel, no good. You know, say as one family now supposed to be united, not supposed to live in bondage, but now they live out of bondage and no good. The thing they pay me. I gather moral, say make I tell you by force, make you for understand. You no good. Change your ways, for there's no time.
Thank you very much for the advice. Thank you. And at the same time, let me give you my own advice. But please, next time, any issues you know nothing about, don't even interfere. No, like anything when they happen, when you don't know the beginning, the genesis, how it starts, no chook your mouth inside. For your own advice.
I'm sorry, sir.
No, I'm not angry. You gave me an advice and I'm returning back to you.
Sir, say make I drop my leg if you know the verse for me. For my village, person the verse, they use one leg stand to tell us.
You don't need to drop the leg. Use the one leg to go inside.
No, you don't tell me say my drop her. Sorry, sir. No, sorry.
What are you doing with my two-piece? These are my clothes. Why are you wearing them?
You no get the time where I wear two person. You no get. Now me just see this clothes. I like and say that your clothes. Now I wear them for my distance. So is there anything wrong with
it? Are you mad? No, are you mad or something? Are you okay?
You dey curse me your sister. You open your mouth, they curse me. You supposed to dey ask yourself that question. You are the one who is mad. You're supposed to ask yourself that question.
Soto, I have had enough of your excesses in this house. At this point, I feel like strangling you.
Wait. Now now you dey talk to like that. Me now you dey talk to. You open your mouth, they insult me, your sister. Say nonsensical attitude.
Soto, did you just clean those retarded, disgusting nostrils of yours on my two-piece? My talking where?
This one are talking where, this one are about the way you're by, you're the talk. They're Shana Popli. This I never seen many people when they been from our village. I don't mind what rubbish. I don't put anything.
You know what? Yes. Go back into that place, that room, pick up your things and leave my husband's house immediately. Get out!
May I get that?
You heard me.
No problem. Make I go pack my things and make you dey fast, pack your own things. How many luggage you get?
Excuse you?
Excuse you, wait. You say make I pack, now more they go village. So if I dey go, you go follow me go. Except you want make I go meet your husband. I was gonna say, husband man, sir, I see your wife when he was kissing that brother. When carry dada. I don't go just tell her what I see. Now just this thing I will not tell her. You go use the head to understand. That's all. Where do you go now? Oh, you don't keep quiet. You get sense. You know the same one don't miss you. Me, I don't go park, no waste time. Me, now only one location. No concern me.
What are you doing here?
For how long, Rose? For how long will you keep avoiding me like this?
As long as it takes me to make you understand that you need to leave me the hell alone, that is how long it's going to last.
I can't understand that. I miss you so much. I miss everything. I miss our good times. I miss how we make love. Don't tell me you don't miss how I do it.
I don't. And henceforth I forbid you to talk to me like that. What the hell is your problem? I mean, what in the blue world is going through your senses?
Well, unfortunately, I can't.
Well, that's your deal, not mine. Don't touch me.
Fine. I understand. What about one last ride? Just you and I promise you I will let you be. One last time.
Are you even listening to yourself at all? Brian is around. What if he walks in on us?
I don't care.
What if we get caught?
I don't fucking care. I just want you. Please, Rose. Don't you understand? I want you so much. I can't live without you. Please. Please, baby. My cupcake.
Baby, I mean, did you really have to go there? Can't you send someone?
No, I can't. Because Dad instructed me to do this assignment by myself. He warned me special and told me, make sure you do it yourself. So I have to go.
I'm going to miss you.
I know.
And I'm going to be bored.
I'll miss you too. But don't worry, I won't be long. At the same time, you have people in the house that will keep you busy.
Oh, please. People in the house, they are not you. It is you that I want.
I know. Don't worry. Smile. I won't be long.
Promise.
Promise. Listen. Don't worry. So where's my bag? Is it ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
You want to bam bam? You want to chew with the big bang? Tell me the long kata you know so drink kata drunk up there, man. You tell me I don't know. I'm here. Fatima. Love, welcome. Come inside. Come. Bros, why you can't start like log of wood? Sit down now.
I'm not here to sit down. I don't need my brother's problem. I'm here to drop off something.
Your brother? But no fear, your brother travel. You know, come back today.
Okay, alright then. I have to take my leave now.
Bros, come, bros, come. About the last time when your brother shout for you, I bet no verse, yeah? No be better thing, no verse.
It's not your fault, thank you.
Bros, to tell you the truth, when you come out, I shout for bros the next day. I say brother and brother supposed to live in bondage, not out of bondage. You can't look me. But understand, say, you understand what I dey talk.
Thank you. And what is your name? What is your name?
My name, Nasom Tochku, but you can call me Tomato.
Oh, you are the new house help.
God forbid.
You are the new help.
No, I be sister, Obiageli sister.
Sister Obiageli. Who is Obiageli?
Sorry, na mistake. I'm but something like that my throat. Na mistake, I dey come. I'm coming, I beg, I dey come.
Sister Obiageli. Could she be talking Rose?
Ooh, I've missed this house, trust me. It has been so empty without you.
And I've missed you too, darling.
So where's mom and dad?
Those love lovers. They are fine. In fact, while I was coming, they were even planning to travel to Dubai for vacations.
It is well needed. I talked to my mom a few days ago and she was talking about going to UK for some vacation during the month or so. You know now, all these people.
Let them enjoy themselves and have fun. Besides, it's their money anyways. So.
What do I say?
And how is Rose? Don't tell me you're still mad at her.
Oh no, just stop. Don't even get me angry. I'm not mad at her anymore. No, trust me, I'm not.
Sure.
Of course. I even stopped by at her house the other day I'm serious.
Hey girls!
Ooh.
Oh my God, how are you?
You're welcome.
Thank you, my dear.
How you been?
Just there.
I was just telling her I stopped by your house the other day, but you're not around.
Really, you came to my house?
But I did.
You know the words, you're no longer angry with me.
No, stop it, I'm not.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I know.
Well, girls, it's been a very hectic period for me. Very, very hectic. You know, considering the fact that my wedding has been postponed 3 times in a row, it's driving me nuts. Just because my mother cannot return from abroad yet. Then putting it down to me, quitting a job that I have passion for. How is my emotions these days has been a roller coaster, trust me.
Oh, you just have to calm down, okay? You know now.
I can't wait.
I've missed us.
Me too. I used to get so much. Then please serve me drink. I'm a guest.
She's a guest.
Don't say she's a guest.
Take care of your guest. I'm just coming back. I don't understand you. She said she's a guest. Go and serve her. Hi. Hello. Sure you know who's talking, yeah?
Of course I know who's speaking.
I was probably thinking we could go out together to see a movie and have a lunch. What do you say about that?
Well, I would have loved to, but unfortunately I'm very busy at the moment, okay?
It's okay. I understand. Okay, some other time then.
Please, I'll talk to you later. I have to go now.
What's that?
Nobody important. How are you?
And at the time my village go say I don't make her. But the reason is that Hello, Mama.
Hey, how are you, my daughter?
Mama, I told you that I will make it in life.
Eh? You want to send me some money? Hey! Onye Kambo. Eh? Somto. So you are now a big girl in the city.
I used to tell you, but you don't used to believe. You see yourself. Mama, shame I tell you. Eh? Hello, Mama. I've made it too. I came to Asaba and I made it in life, Mama. See, let me tell you. I'm going to. Where's the Obioma? Tell Obioma to send her account number. I will send you 10,000 naira tomorrow morning through her account number. I've made it all. I know that, Mama, you are even jealous for me, but God will shame you last.
How is your sister Obi?
Which person? Mama, hold on. You see Auntie Obiagiri? Auntie Obi is very wicked. She have changed to vampire, Mama.
God forbid. God forbid again. I mean, God forbid it.
She used to shout. She used to insult me, Mama. She's telling everybody that I'm at distance. Further adjective relationship.
Obi said that to you.
Mama, I'm telling you the truth. Auntie Obi have changed. She's no longer the child you born. You have changed. Maybe they changed her in the hospital when you born her. Then they now say it's when she big, the spirits now start manifesting. Mama, I'm not lying now. It's the truth I'm telling you. Obi is wicked now. Okay, if you think I'm a lie, go and confirm for yourself. No problem.
Okay, don't worry. Ngwan. How could Obiageli say that to her sister? Her only sister. But I don't think Sonto will lie about such a thing. This cannot be one of her tricks she always played. No. Sonto loves her sister very much. She wouldn't have said such a thing if Obiageli did not say it. I have to call her. I'll call Obiageli. Obiageli, pick. Nemo! Abi, my daughter, how are you? How is everybody? How is your sister Somto? I hope she's not giving you any problems. She's not troubling you so much. My daughter, please, I want you people to love each other. You people should live in peace. So you are the only children that I have. I don't have any other child. It's only both of you. Please, you people should live in peace. Own them. Where were you? Huh? Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sister. Good afternoon. You say what? I they watch TV. As I watch the TV skip my mind. Phew, the people they fight. I said, why did they fight? Hey, thank you. God bless you.
I never give you the money. I'm not done talking. Sometimes you need to keep quiet and listen. Take this money to the market. Buy me vegetable and then fish. Most importantly, I want crayfish and what they call cletus.
Cletus?
Yes, cletus.
Sister, Obiageli, the only person I know baby cletus na cletus with our village, and you know they call cities. Are
you alright? Just go to the market and tell them to give you cletus. And please start going now. Hurry up, because I need to make food. I am damn hungry. And that reminds me, make sure you spend the whole money you're holding. As a matter of fact, do not come back if you do not see the cletus.
Bro, kitty, your lap for you. I put the princess and watch TV. She go to say, I do know something. Cletus.
I sent something to the market.
I will press this bed today. Clean my sister and go in their word. It's in the ring.
I need to check this out too.
Let's go.
What is your problem? Somto, Why are you pressing the house bell like that?
Okay, the thing na bell be this thing.
It's bell, you've been...
Hey, I don't know, if they ring, I don't know say they ring, I don't vex, I beg. And sister, I can't say make I tell you, I don't understand this and Clayton so you send me.
Something. When you get to the market, tell them to give you clay tools. Clay tools. Depending on what you call it. What did you call it for them?
Clay tools.
Clay tools. Clay tools.
Clay tools. Clay tools. Okay, no problem.
No. This way.
No, sister, rain dey fall. I say make I
go
just
order the rain and get the clay tools.
My sister say make I go under the rain go buy clay tools because of man. Because of man, my sister is sending me to a journey of no return. No problem. Because say he won't do bad thing. No be my mouth they go hear what they want do. Clay tools because of man. No problem. Clay tools.
Who's that?
Oh my goodness God, it is Somto. I sent her to the market to get something for me, only for her to come back and tell me she could not find Cletus. Can you imagine?
What kind of nonsense is that now?
My heart skipped for a minute.
Me too. By the way, what is Cletus?
Never mind.
I talk am say Rosa they do something with that good for nothing man. Hey, Somto Chuku, show me the tomato juice. You have to do something about this. What can I do? What I go do be say I go make sure say I catch them red-handed. Like I go catch them pee. Then they no come know what they want to do. Hey! But, hey, Brother Brian, I dey pity him. I dey pity.
Where is that idiot? Where is my bedsheet and my gown? Huh? Where is my bedsheet and my gown?
I beg, no dey talk to me anyhow. No dey call me names, I beg.
Are you crazy? See, I have noticed that you have gone weeks in this house. I am going to cut it off for you if you do not.
You want make I go meet your husband? I was going to say, husband man, sir. I see your wife when he was kissing that brother. What do you want to do? Yeah! I don't come back from my dream, no problem. Ma first go check the bed sheet that I don't dry, ma bring her come. You want?
What is it?
I can't stop thinking about you. You're so close to me yet very far. I want to have you all to myself.
That's not possible. We're just having fun and you know it.
Hey, come on. Rose, I know you very well. You're in love with me. You can't deny that.
I love Brian and nothing can change that.
What's good? You know, I've been asking Brian about you. When was the last time I saw you?
And that was 2 years ago in the UK where I was doing my master degree program.
Oh, yes, that's right. It's actually a long time. Wow, you look good. Rose here was about to take me to the salon. You know, my cabman was delaying, so she offered to help. Yes.
Talking about Rose, have you to notice something odd about her?
How do you mean?
This girl is a bad news for my brother. Yes, she has the most chilling character ever.
Excuse me? Do you realize you're talking about me? I am standing right before you.
And who said I was hiding my conversations? See, you can fool my brother, certainly not me. I can see right through your skin that you are a faker, a user, and a gold digger.
Then let me dig my gold in peace. What is your problem, Calvin? Why do you hate me so much? Why is it so hard for you to see me breathe in 1 second? Why? Besides, I thought your brother already told you to stop showing your retarded, useless face and scop out. What are you doing here?
This is my brother's house. I can come here whenever I want. Anytime, anyhow, and nobody is going to stop me.
Who the hell do you think you are, Kevin? Who are you? Look at this nincompoop, a bastard, a fool, a sengamenge like you.
Hey.
Who the hell do you think you are?
Hey,
Never sengamenge. You better just imagine. You are talking to me.
Guys.
Kevin, you are very stupid. You are sick in the head, though.
Rose.
You will die a miserable death. Let me just tell you.
Rose.
What is your problem with me?
Rose.
Get out of my house, please. Look at it. Did you see that?
Rose.
Did you see what just did? Idiot. Bastard. Son of a bitch. Don't tell him to calm down. Don't you dare tell me to calm down. Who was that for? Did you see what the number that he was vomiting from his big mouth? Start up on my patient.
Rose, you need to calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Did you see what just happened? No, didn't you hear what he was saying about me? Right in my presence. Who the hell do you think he is?
You need to calm down, Rose. Okay? I've known Kelvin for decades now. He talks too much. Alright? I don't need you to pick a fight with him.
Oh, really? I am not going to pick a fight with him. I swear to God, I'm going to end his life on earth. I will make his life so miserable for him. Since Kelvin has sworn that I will never have peace or joy in my marriage, he will rot in hell. What? No, I need to go.
Hey.
So he was like, he wants to take care of my bill. Then I told him, are you sure? Because I'm an independent woman and I can take care of my bills myself. The next thing, he brought out his card and paid my bills. It was about 62k. He drove me home, made a transfer of 200k to my account. He said I should just get whatever I want.
No, you are joking, right?
No, I'm serious.
Abemana, wait. I'm gonna leave this English. My check. Oh,
Calm down, you like money.
Wow.
I am so happy for you.
Thanks, darling.
Me too.
And guess what? Just guess who is going on a date today?
No fucking way. No way. You are going on a date with him.
Of course.
Oh my God.
Wow. I'm happy for you, darling.
I am happy for you.
Thank you. And who is that handsome man I saw earlier?
Oh, sorry. That's Roger, yeah. Brian's good friend. He came for the wedding till the wedding was shifted. So you have to still till the wedding, you know. But, he's so cute. I mean, sexy.
Can you stop it?
Why? Is he married?
He's not married. He's single, but you have to stop it. Stop crushing on him. I have my reasons, please.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's just cheers our drink.
Yeah, cheers.
They take a easy. Look at we should just shout it. Now my fault. The guy is cute now. Sorry.
Dirty people is my sister and the husband. Woman supposed to clean the house, he no go clean. Easy. condom. My sister husband never come back since I sweep this room last. Now only that brother with the carry big long hair. Now I enter this room with my sister. Now I see condom. Condom, who is you? My sister is you. Hey! My sister is an Ashima. My sister is an Hey!
Who are you talking to?
Nobody. I'm talking to myself and myself is talking to myself.
Please take this. Buy me fish in the market. I need to make something very fast.
Fish? But I buy fish for you the other day and I still get fish.
Are you alright? Are you by any chance questioning my orders in my own husband's house? Are you alright?
Sorry.
Buy me fresh fish. What you bought for me 2 days ago was baranga. I don't need it. Buy me fresh. Something fresh. I want to make something fresh to eat. Do you understand me?
Yes, Your Highness. Yes, sister. You carry my evidence come.
Brian can give it to you the way I do, right? Hey. Relax. It's just both of us. Hey. Relax, baby. Okay? Just relax.
No. Stop.
Babe. 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 Babe.
How was the trip?
I have been knocking. You refuse to open. Where's everybody?
Where is everybody? I don't understand. I'm just alone in the room, and besides, I do stuff after my morning workout.
And Ruga?
Ruga said he wanted to get something somewhere, so if he's not at home, then maybe he has gone out. And you're supposed to come back on Saturday. What happened?
Oh yes. I finished what I went to do on time, so I decided to come back to surprise him. Wait, hold on. You mean you're alone in this whole house?
I'm alone?
Because I heard so much noise coming from this room.
I'm sure it was a television set.
Right.
Oh my goodness, God, you cut me off. Thank you. Wow, I love it.
Alright, let me freshen up so I can go get
Look, that baby's on. I prepared something very amazing for you.
I missed you so much.
I know, babe. I miss you too.
I missed everything about you.
So,
alright, let me freshen up so we'll get something to eat.
No, baby,
So
I think
famished.
you should eat first before you go take your bed.
Oh no, I need to freshen up.
Baby, I made this delicacy just for you, and it's getting cold.
No, I need to try it.
Baby, this way. This way, this way, this way. This way, this way.
Life is good and life is nice. Everyone wants a little bit of this and that. When you are in a place, I know other
Really nice. She's only cool. So Brian, how's the business you went for?
Oh yeah, it went well. And I hope you guys don't miss me too much.
No, baby.
Are you sure? We're very sure she missed you.
Yeah.
is wrong with you? What was the meaning of that you were expecting in there? Just a few hours after we almost got caught, here you are behaving like a kid. What is your problem?
Why are you panicking?
Why
Live your life, yes. Live your life. Enjoy the adventure.
This is too risky and I don't think I can continue with this anymore. It is done.
And, are you sure about this?
I just told you it is over. Please.
It's never over, darling. Never over. Hi, what's up, Satya? How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm sorry I've not called in a long time. Yes, I've been very busy actually. Listen, I was thinking maybe we'll see later today. How about that?
Really? Okay, I'll be with you 20 minutes time.
Okay then. I'll see you later today, okay?
Yeah. Yeah! Wow. Calm down. Sit here. Calm down. Calm down. Oh, somebody hold me. Wait, my bag.
Hi, Cynthia. Hi. You didn't tell me you were coming.
What's up? Don't mind me. Actually, I'm with Roga. I hope you don't mind.
You're with who? Ruga?
Hi, she's with me. Hi guys, please permit me to take this darling to my room.
Auntie, the food don't. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Uncle Ruga, welcome. Auntie Cynthia, welcome.
Thank you.
So may you come see us. Well done. You say one of the home now, and I don't come understand. Like, I don't laugh. Now you carry uncle.
Yes.
Sister, Sister Rose.
Anyways, you're all welcome.
Thank you very
welcome,
much.
my dear.
Brother Brian,
yes.
we have a full house. Can't you 1, 2, 3, 4 plus me 5? Ha! Food goes for I go feed dinner. Feed dinner. Brother Ruga, now you can come. When they go
So go and prepare some for everybody to eat and let's eat together.
Thank you very much, Somto. Okay, that's enough. We'll have to go upstairs to my room now. Darling, let's go.
Oh, Brother Ruga, in our quarrel. Brother Ruga, in our
Just get everybody their food.
What's the meaning of that?
I don't understand. Don't tell me you're not happy for them.
Happy, you see?
Yes! You should be happy for them. Roga and Cynthia found love.
Are you kidding me right now? Cynthia is my friend. I should give my approval, right?
What approval? Come on. What approval are you talking about? They are both adults. They have every right to fall in love with each other. Huh? So you should be happy for them.
Why am I sitting down here having this flimsy conversation with you in the first place?
I don't get it. Hey! Are you serious? Alright. Your movie?
You can watch it alone.
Women! Huh? Come on, what have I said? What have I said wrong? Huh? Can you imagine? Women with problems. All the time they like nagging. Come on, why are women so... They're so insatiable, they're so self-centered. Huh? No, she's happy with me. Now she's angry that her friend... come on.
Are you going to do this all day?
Honestly, I feel so bad. But you told me she won't mind us being together.
Of course she won't mind. Besides, why do you even care about her?
Hello? Why shouldn't I? She is my best friend. You know what? I'm leaving. Don't even bother to sing now.
Hey, no, come on. I won't let you do that. Look at the time. It's already late.
Roger, I can find my way out. Please.
You know what? I'll let you take the bed. Okay? I'll just stay on the floor. I promise you I will not touch you. Okay?
I never knew this would infuriate you so much. If I knew, I wouldn't have done it. I swear. I didn't know.
I want you, Cynthia. I want you. But all you did was to play deaf ears to all my warnings. I told you not to look at his way. I want you, didn't I?
I know. I'm sorry, but nothing happened.
Oh, please, cut that crap. I don't want to hear it.
Trust me.
Oh, please, you don't tell me that crap. Don't tell me that bullshit that you guys never had sex last night. I do not want to hear it.
I swear. We didn't do anything.
You swear?
Yes. You know I wouldn't betray you. Because I know you want the best for me. The moment I know you were angry, that's why I didn't do anything with him. I crossed my heart. I swear. I'm sorry.
Cynthia, I have your interest at heart. I can't stand seeing you hurt. I know. Ruga is a playboy. You deserve more. He is not your type of guy.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll give you a call, okay?
Take care. Bye. Thank you. I'm expecting your call, okay?
And what was that for?
That was for trying to mess with my friend, you idiot.
Sister B is sleeping with brother Rugabian. Rugabian carpet. And Ruga is such a big man. Oh, should I tell him? No. I cannot betray my sister no matter what. God, please. Open Oga Brian's eyes to see this. He deserves more than this. He's too good for this kind of thing.
I am the luckiest man on earth to have you as a wife. You know what?
What, babe?
We are not going to postpone our wedding anymore. We're getting married.
Really?
Yes, because I'm happy that I'm getting married to the most caring woman, the most beautiful woman on earth, and the most understanding woman.
Guess what, babe? I have a good news for you.
Oh, for real? So tell me.
Okay, I just got off the phone with my mom and she told me that she will be in Nigeria in a few weeks' time.
Are you serious?
With my stepdad.
Oh! You mean the white man?
Yes. The white man.
Wow. That means we'll be having a full house. Oh, alright. Okay, where's my phone? Alright, just hold on. Let me call my parents and the event planner so they can carry on.
You. Mwah.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay. Hold on. Where's my letter?
Okay. Oops. Did I just say the white man? Oh goodness God, Jesus wept. Even if I have to fake my mother, to get all young and glassy woman, where the hell am I supposed to get a white man from? To fake a spell? Well, I trust myself. No situation is too strong or too hard for Rose.
Sorry to start on you. Listen, I need you to do me a favor. Okay? I need some shaving blades. Did you hear me? I said I need you to help me buy some shaving blades. Alright? Please.
Razor blade? They don't used to use razor blade for shaving.
I mean shaving sticks. Okay, yeah.
Sir, please, I wanted to go and do something inside. When I finish, I will go.
No. I need it right away. Okay, you see, I need to go somewhere now and I'm looking very bushy.
Where do you want to
use
use it to shave, sir? None of my business, sorry. Give me 500 in case. I don't know what I do in my past.
It's alright, I'll just give you.
Yes, who is there? Somto. Somto, come in. Come in. What are you doing here? What is wrong with you? What is your problem? How many times do I have to tell you that whatever that transpired between me and you is long done with? Don't you understand it? I am done with you. It's over.
Well, listen, Rose. I am truly sorry for whatever I must have done that's gotten you this angry. But you must understand, we can't do this without each other.
Are you even listening to yourself talk? Are you? I am engaged to your friend Brian. He loves and cares about me. I cannot continue with this because I can't stand him being hurt anymore. Understand me, please.
Okay, fine. I understand. Brian is a great guy. My best friend, yes. But you can't blame me for what I feel for you. What we feel for each other.
That is where you have a problem. You have to unfeel whatever you're feeling for me right now because I am done with you. Stop this, please. What if Brian walks into this room? What are you doing here?
Rose, listen.
Don't touch me.
Let's run away.
Excuse you?
Yes. You know, I can't imagine leaving all of this for Brian. Do you know how beautiful my life would be? Spending forever with you, right by your side. Have a beautiful moment. Visiting beautiful cities. Just the two of us. Having fun everywhere. God, it's going to be heaven on earth. And I will do everything within my powers to make sure that comes to pass.
When are we going to stop doing this to Brian? He doesn't deserve it.
I don't deserve this either. Yes. I love you so much. And I'll do whatever it takes to make sure you're mine. I'm never letting you go. Never. My cupcake. Life is beautiful.
You know, we negotiated for 6 months, 5 million. Well, because of the
Right. Well, you know how precious. Then, you know I will do anything. I will do anything to make her happy. You have nothing to worry about. Wow.
Alright, let's go to the office. Once you bring the payments, we'll give you the original price. This is actually going.
I have no problem. Let's go. Okay. Right. Wow. I love it. It's beautiful.
I know you love it.
Don't worry. Let's go and make the payment and I get it. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful.
My mind is blowing, my heart is bleeding, all because of you. I am lonely, lost and broken. Why will you break my heart this way? 'Cause I am bleeding, bleeding for you, bleeding for you.
Listen, bro, I am just very sorry.
Go on, please. Go. Leave my house. Please.
Leave my house! Bro, you've got to calm down.
You don't want to go?
Alright, please.
You don't want to go? Alright.
When you are in a place, another place could they hungry you. that's where you want to be, wanna be. Good is good and bad is bad.
Let's make I give them space. They don't say I know. Wait till we milk not be for everybody. And they tell me say, give us space, give us space. I know it's the one. Say the one. We milk is not for everybody. Bros. Somewhere you stand for outside like this. The thing where you say make I go buy, I don't buy and come. I know, I understand when you say me I go buy this. I know so now one space. I can't give you space. But this thing where you they do, not be me go judge you now. The person that will judge you people, he day up and they look now. I know say they look now because one day, every day for the thief, one day for the owner. I don't buy the thing where you say I buy. I be they find that one where people know the name, but this one they say now Doroko. Look at what the name will be like. Doroko plate. Only thing one is a shit. Plus, why you carry your bag they go? No one carry your Doroko. Why me and my sister do bad thing finish? You can't carry a bag they go. What happen? They don't catch him. Hello? Mama? I said you should follow that address I sent you now. If you follow the address they come, you go see the place now then. You tell that Joshua? The Joshua what tell you? Oh you enter bike now, enter bike. Tell them say that number what I give you for them. Enter there and stop. Since you don't enter the Joshua. Mama fast, if you reach the gate, just call me. Once you reach the gate, call my number, make I come and come usher you in. I don't dare say things they make I come usher you in. You never come for me to usher. Fast now, fast. I don't feel wait to see you. Mama shall I tell? That men are not trying for bike, oh. No, I mean they're not trying for bike. All the bike people. Hey, sister of the Nigerian Actors. I'm happy to see Mama. I don't think I surprise her. This is how big you see Mama. I'm sorry, I don't know what goes over me. It's the devil's one. Baby, please, you know I love you. Please, I'm begging you, I am sorry. Please, just give me the last chance. How can I leave you for that thing? Somebody just possessed. Maybe I was just possessed by it. I don't know. Just please forgive me, please. Sorry, yes. Please. Ushering! The mother-in-law in. Come in. Sir Brian, meet my mama and Obegini, aka Rose Mama, your mother-in-law. Meet her, please to meet her. Mama, meet Obegini. Obegini, meet Mama. Adam, stop being warm. Obegini, Mama. Hey, Obegini. Adam, no. Hey, baby. Obegini. Mama, that is how city people used to behave. Once they see somebody that came new, they'll just start fighting. And so they will fight so that they'll welcome you. It's a form of saying welcome, Mama. But she was kneeling down. The kneeling down is their tradition in the city. They need that, it means that they will give you food when they see you.
Betrayed my love after everything we've been through. I had plans for us, many plans for you and I. Unbreak my heart, 'cause I am bleeding. for you, bleeding for you.
Good afternoon, Oga. Since you first call and come out, I be don dey find you. Mama dey find you since yesterday night. She dey find you, no see you.
Mama Clara.
Where she wan go before? Na me usher her in now. You no fit usher herself go out except say I usher her out. But the thing be say she don dey wait for you since. Oga Brian, Mama say again something very important wey you wan discuss with you about Obiagere, aka Rose, my sister.
Bloody liar. That unapologetic, chronic cheat. Where's she?
I don't understand. Sir Brian, who has all this name? Who get all this name with the I don't get it.
Your sister, Rose, where's she?
Talk of Obiagere, aka Rose. I don't know where she go. Yesterday, as soon as two quarrel, you first come out. Now so she too first follow you. She carry her bag, take some assault, go outside though. As soon as two just first come out, you first come out. She carry her bag, come out. What will it happen?
Very good. Now listen to me. I do not want to ever see her. I will bring her anywhere close to this premises. Okay?
Rose, Ruga, ha. Hey! Jesus! I had... I was... Hey! I don't see these people, they do bad thing. I don't Hi!
So you knew all this while you didn't tell me?
I don't knew. I know. But I know if you tell you that kind of bad thing. No, I know if you do it. Like I'm not going to be like that. I the bond of sisterhood show say once your sister dey fuck up, you know if you cast am. I'm the low. So I know if you cast my sister. As long as I do the bad thing, I say I go there like this, they will call me. So I will say yes, I say come over, I will come. Take money, go buy anything when you do go and buy anything. I say, which one say go buy anything? I go roam around for market and no go know it and won't buy. Sometimes again, they will send message, man go buy anything I just want. The last one, you know, you did that I want to bring shaving stick. Now I say you tell me, say man go buy shaving stick. I say shaving stick. What's the money shaving stick to for person house? I say no problem. I go buy the shaving stick. Sometimes if I go buy something, I go just buy the roam around for them. I forgive them time when they do the party when they want to. I don't support them, Sha. I don't support my sister. My sister not tell you, I don't support her. She not tell you.
Yeah, just tell Mama I will see her later.
What's fish of the freshen? You want freshen up? Something na pure cool.
You are in a place, another place could they hungry you. That's where you want to be.
What have I done to myself?
Good is good and bad is bad.
How on earth did I put myself in this mess? I had a wonderful relationship. I had a perfect man, but I ruined everything. How do I bring myself out of this? Brian isn't even talking to me. Oh my goodness, God. Brian, please speak up. For how long will you keep busy in my calls? Speak up, you call, pick up.
blind to see what to do. You go to crazy. The thing where you do, don't need anybody where go understand. You go to crazy. You are so confused, but you know what you want to do. Money desire. Your body on fire. Who can wait to dance from your soul? You can never appreciate what you have until you lose it all. You can never appreciate what you have until you lose. You can never appreciate what you have until you lose it all. You can never appreciate what you have until you lose. You can never.
My son, I don't understand what you are saying.
I really do not know how else I should explain this to you. But I loved your daughter so much. There is nothing I didn't do for Obiageli. Well, all she told me was her name was Rose. She never told me her name was Obiageli until you came in. I did everything for her. She never lacked anything in my house. I provided all she needed. I even went as far as telling her to stop working, to stay at home, and I would provide everything she needed. But all she could do is to hurt me badly. From the very first day I met Obiageli, it has been from one lies to another. She kept lying to me. She went as far as telling me her mother does not live in Nigeria. She lives in America. Even the day she came back home with Somto, she introduced her to me as distant cousin. Yes, she's here. You can ask her.
Distance, yes.
My son, I don't know why Obiageli would do such. Obiageli, my daughter, always had her eyes on the ground. But I never knew it would get to this point of deceiving people and denying her own family. My son, I lost my husband when Obiageli was barely 2 years old. Much later, I got married and I gave birth to Somto here. It's me. I suffered to train Obiageli to this level she is now, so that when I will grow old, she will be there for me. She will treat me well. She will take good care of me. But look at, this is how she's paying me back for all the suffering I suffered for her. My son, please, will you find a way in your heart? Forgive me.
Please, come on, get up. Stand up, please.
Forgive me.
Stand up. Come on, stand up.
Please forgive her.
Stand up Mama, no, stand up.
Forgive us!
Mama, yes, I'm not angry. Mama, it's not your fault. Mama, please stand up. Mama, please stand up. Please stop now. Carry Mama up, please.
Mama, carry yourself
Mama, get
up.
up.
Mama, carry yourself up. Mama, sorry. Let me kneel on behalf of my mother. Sorry, please forgive.
My dear, have you forgiven her?
Hey, sister. Hey, sister, peek. Hey, sister, peek now, peek. Peek, let me tell you. Hello, sister. Hello.
I can't believe this. This is impossible. I mean, Rose could do this, all that, Tonto, and I'm calling her, she's not picking up. Eh? Wait. Let me call Riverton Hotel. Yes, because that's where she normally stays when she wants to stay alone, you know, private. Wait. Hello, hi. This is Cynthia. Please, I want to talk to my friend Rose. Is she there? Oh, it's okay. It's okay, no problem. Thank you. What did he say? Yeah, she's not there.
Ha! Reverse the call. Call them again. Tell them say her name now Obiageri. Because that Rosa way they call, no be everybody know. My sister really name now Obiageri. Now where she dey hide and since man no tell people, everything don't scatter. So you need to tell them. Call them again. Reverse the call. Say hello Obiageri, is it
They
there?
know her as Rose. See, I'm texting her on WhatsApp. She's online. She's reading, but she's not replying.
My sister no dey slap person again. No dey slap and they say they slap. You know they slap person. Just leave that way you do. Just call her for phone. Call her again.
You know what? Wait, let me send her voice note on WhatsApp. Maybe she will listen to it.
At least she'll listen to that. Yeah.
Hello, Rose. Hi, this is
Hi.
Everyone wants a little bit of this when you are in a place, another place could they hungry you. That's where you want to be, wanna be. Good is good and bad is bad. Yeah. But our desire makes us think twice. Until you quench that burning desire that is
Rose. How could you do this to Brian?
Rose, I'm disappointed. Seriously, I'm disappointed.
I am sorry. I am deeply sorry, please. This is not the time to apportion names. I beg you, if you have any iota of love for me, help me beg Brian. Make him understand that I am truly sorry. I swear, if Brian refuses to forgive me, I am going to kill myself.
No. It hasn't gotten to that. Just calm down. We'll think of something.
Wait a minute, Rose. So this was the reason you don't want to see me and Roga together? Really? You told me it was for my interest. I believed you. I never knew it was for your selfishness. How could you?
Please, I don't know what came over me. This is unlike me. I am ashamed of myself right now. Please, guys, I'm sorry.
Rose, you lied to everyone, including us, your closest friends. We are more like sisters. What was the essence of lying that your mom was in abroad, meanwhile she was in the village? Why? Why?
You know your standard. You guys come from a wealthy family. I wanted to meet up. I wanted to be like you guys. Yes, I was envious of you, but God, I don't know where to start from at this point of my life.
What has this got to do?
You went as far as denying your flesh and blood. You denied tonto. How in the name of trying to be a big girl, what?
Disguise, I am. Here.
Take it easy.
Ow!
It's okay.
I am bleeding, bleeding for you, bleeding, bleeding for you. For you.
Where did I go wrong?
You betrayed my love after everything
Loved
we've
you.
been through. We've been
Showed you so much love.
I had plans for us, many plans for you and I. Oh,
What is going on here?
Brian.
What did I hear? Is it true?
Hey, come on, please. I know what you're about to say right now, but please, I'm not just cut out for the years. Fine. I messed up. I know you told me, but I didn't listen to you. But please, I'm not ready for any blame. Okay? Just
no, Brian. It's not your fault. You were in love. Rose is the wicked one here. She is heartless. She's heartless, yes. It's not your fault. I promise you everything will be fine. At least you are not married to her yet. Yes. Everything will be fine. Cheer up. Everything will be fine. Come on.
Tonto! Where are you going with your bag? What do you mean, Where are you going with your bag?
I dey go my papa house now. They say when pikin wey you come carry die, you go back to where you dey come from. The thing that happen is that my sister wey make me come this house don comot for the house. I can't use my church mind manage say make I stay with you, make I for no dey bad as my sister dey bad to you, make I do you good to pay back the sins of my sister. Now I come say make I for stay back, dey cook for you food, make you dey shop, dey help you do one or two small things before I go village. You know they appreciate am. I go suffer, go market, come back, cook food for you, you no go chop am. Every day food dey waste. I go do every other thing for the house, you know they appreciate. You know they laugh, nothing. Only wetin you dey do, you just sit down for here, dey drink. If you drink, you go smoke. If you smoke, you go sleep. If you sleep, you go dey think. I'm done. Oga, I don dey go.
Hey, stop now. Stop. Okay, fine. I didn't mean to shout at you. I'm sorry. Try to understand that. You know you've helped me a lot to try to recover, but please, if I've said anything wrong that's got to you, I'm really sorry.
Okay, I no go on two conditions. Me and you go do trade by barter. That be the truth. We go do trade by barter. You ready? Make I come give you the consequences.
Yes.
Oga, na two things. Number one, if I cook food for this house, you go to chop am. You dey hear that one? Any day wey I cook food again, you no go waste am. You must chop it.
Yes.
Is that right? Number two, Oga say number two, so that I go know say you dey follow me for this thing wey I dey talk.
Number two.
Beautiful. Number two, I hear say my sister Obiageri, aka Rose, you drink poison. So Oga, you go see am.
Huh?
The Glow customer you're... Oh God. Please pick up your phone, please. I'm sorry. Pick up your phone. Please. The Glow customer you're calling. have I done to myself? Yes, hello? Who's this? What is your problem? Why are you calling me? What exactly do you want from me?
You have blocked all my lines. I have looked everywhere for you. Please, can you listen to me for just a minute?
You know, it is quite clear to me that you are the devil's right-hand man. Haven't you caused enough damage for me already? Why is it so hard for you to leave me the hell alone?
I've been looking everywhere for you because I wanted to apologize for everything. But you must understand, everything I did was out of love. Rose, I have loved you from the very first day I saw you. That's why I had the mind to give up my relationship with Brian. Just to have you, because I couldn't imagine life without you.
Do you want to kill me before you let me be?
Come on, Rose, I will never kill you. I'd rather die than watch you die. Okay? Be with me. Be with me. I will give you a better life. I will love you better. I promise you. I will. I will.
Listen to me. If you call my number again, I promise you, God will punish you for the rest of your useless, miserable, pathetic life. Get the hell out of my phone!
Rose. Hello? Hello? Rose. Rose.
Oga, this thing where they do is not good. This thing is not good. You know they come out, they go outside again, Oga. You know they go work, you know they shop. You know you don't get anything where they do. The only thing where you they do recently, now say you go sit down, they do smoke this thing and they drink. And this thing where they smoke now, they right hand for the body. Smokers are liable to die young. I read that for the Concom. It's not good, sir. Where would you go?
What are you trying to do?
Okay. Follow me, may you go shop food. You don't they break your agreement, okay? If you break your agreement, me I will break my agreement. I will carry my bag, they go back to my village. Only you go stay for inside this house. Loneliness go finish you. You will constantly do lonely. Yeah, eat. Eat now. Move. One. You chew. The food sweet, I make cook. I know it's sweet. You don't get excuse to say it's sweet. One, they eat fast now. They shoot this thing, I guess, they drink water. Drink water. You know, say our agreement na 52 spoon. 52. So 1 out of 52, you never work out. What babies are poor, so just do the thing. Because your mama never done. Beans, they never grant. You see, you get you do like the water, say you pack. The way they do it, they waste time. Let me make this smell. Put 2 noodles. 2. Fast. No see me, I never stitch up. Hunger they beat me, but I don't want to follow you to me for the food. You fast please. You like the food? I don't say inside your mind you like this food. You know, say she want to carry you come up outside. You know why I didn't say you like the food. But it's okay, I understand. No, 3 That's 50. Now 50, I'm going to go pack my bag. Man, go carry my bag. Okay, Mama, go carry my bag. Okay. 49 is still too much. Protect me now. Make you two eat normal. If you eat like this, that means we will not come for this dining table like this thing. You know, you are not a baby. You senior me. Me will be on picking. I know they behave like picking. You will not be picking. They behave like picking. Eat fast. 48. They eat. They put on for man. No, now you do bad thing. That's what they call it. You think you have sense. You think you have brain. I guess it's something like this small. Wait for the chopper. Mavuru rice and mavuru here. It's not good for head. Carry on like this.
I feel so miserable. Every single thing that is happening to me right now, I brought it upon myself. I am so ashamed of myself. I don't even know what got into me. I mean, I had a perfect man, but I ruined it with all the lies. I lied about everything, including my background. I don't know what came over me.
Sister Begili, you don't have to be hard on yourself. That's the truth. You are still a good person, let me tell you. If not, you would have sent me back to the village since. You still accepted me inside your house. It's just that I'm surprised. I don't know what changed you. You changed a lot.
I did. The environment changed me. I think so, because I can't believe I turned myself into this vulnerable woman. I don't know what came over me.
Like I said before, don't be hard on yourself. It's not easy. It's still not easy for Oga Brian. He's not finding it easy. But if you ask me, I will say that it's better for you to go and beg him. Tell him, Oga Brian, I'm sorry, forgive me everything I've done to you. He will forgive you.
Are you kidding me? I saw Brian yesterday at his gate. He almost ran me over with his car. I mean, it was clearly stated that he does not want to set his eyes on me again. I don't deserve life, you know. I feel like killing myself.
Hey, this is very serious.
I'm glad you are better now.
Oh, yeah. I'm better. At least, all thanks to God. And Somto. Yeah, may God bless her. She actually helped me recover very fast. Such a nice girl.
Well, as for Rose, it's her loss. What about Ruga?
Hey, please. Just stop mentioning that name, okay? Please, I do not want to have anything to do with him. I don't want to speak with him. I don't want to see his face. I don't want to read from him. Okay?
Yeah, sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. Sumto. She's a nice girl. Yeah. From the very first day I met her. She's the opposite of her sister.
Exactly.
So, what do you think about her? She's a good girl. Why don't you wife her?
What are you waiting for? Wife her.
Somto, I want to thank you for taking good care of my brother.
You welcome. I thank you too. I thank God say your brother don't well. Now God one, no be man.
All thanks to you. Yes.
Thanks to me too. Bros, Judas, I say make I tell you say I go to go this weekend.
See, you go nowhere. You stay in this house.
I bet which kind of rough play be that one. You know say this your hair, now make me they call you Judas Iscariot. Now when my mama put Jesus film, now I see Judas saying that this kind of hair baba. I make her they call you that name. See, I don't understand where they go. My mama don't they call me already and I don't like the call which they call me.
Somto, I'm not Judas. You see this house? You are going nowhere. See, Let me see my brother. You go nowhere. You will stay.
Tonto, you go nowhere. Tomato, you go nowhere. May not be say this Judas, they plan make him marry me, make he can't keep me for this city. God forbid bad thing. Instead of me to marry this Judas Iscariot, I better go marry all the baby where the village don't they toast me since. After all the baby don't let me carpenter work by this time now. At least we don't get small money. As I come now, at last say, oh no, you go tell me, Tonto, my tomato, two of us go come there. At least I don't go city, I don't to shop. You all spend on me now. Yeah, we all day everywhere for village. I love the city. They sit me like say I don't fall in love with her already. I just like say, hello, I love you. You go tell me, Tommy.
Tonto, I just want to use this medium to say thank you. Thank you very much for everything you've done for me. For helping me recover so fast after everything your sister did to me. Thank you.
You are welcome, sir. No be me do one, God do one for us.
Yeah, no, I'm not done. I'm still talking. Okay? This few time we spent together, I've grown fond of you. Yes. And everything I keep imagining is me spending the rest of my life with you.
Rose.
What?
Sir? God forbid bad thing.
Hey, come on. Come on. Look into my eyes.
I know fit to.
Alright, fine. Listen. Come on. Every time, all I imagine is spending the rest of my life with you. Come on. Yeah, listen. Let me not just beat around the bush, okay? I see you. Please marry me. Yeah, I want you to marry me.
God forbid bad thing, sir. I no go fit do this kind bad thing. A very big bad thing. What of my sister Obegeli Rose?
No, come on. Come on. Yeah, bro, I can't do anything with Rose. I have no business with Rose anymore. She hurt me so bad. You know about it. You know everything she has done to me.
Oga, I'm sorry, sir. I know, but now my sister she be. I no fit do bad thing. And they don't know me say I do bad thing for village. They only know say I stubborn. I know they hear word, but bad thing I know they do.
Tonto, I understand everything you're saying. Listen, I owe no grudges against your sister anymore. So please,
Bro, all this thing where they talk, I know they hear. I'm sorry to offend you, sir. The thing be say my sister, deep down in her heart, they feel say she do you bad, and true she do you bad. So if you want me, you and my sister get peace of mind, you go find my sister where she did, tell and say, Obegeli Rose, I don't forgive you. She go come no say you don't forgive her, and she too go still forgive you. Now to go rest in peace.
Yeah, listen, yeah, I have forgiven her everything she did to me. Everything. But one thing I can't forget is Rose or Obiageli is sleeping with my own friend in my room. I'll do whatever you want me to do. I'll follow you. Right, please, just give me a hug. Hey, come on. Just a hug.
Bro, sir, I won't go.
Come on, just a hug.
Yes, come in.
Sister. Soto, I bring Oga Brian come.
Welcome, please sit.
Alright. Thank you. Sit down.
Sister, you buy me new clothes now.
It's fine. Brian. Please, I want to use this medium to say that I'm deeply sorry. I am really, really sorry. I don't know what came over me. I didn't even know most of the things I was doing, trust me. Please, I beg you. Forgive me from your heart. I am on my knees, please. Please.
Get up, sit down. Sit down. You see, Rose, I hold no grudges against you anymore. Yes. See, forget about what happened. You are a good person. Yes. You are a good person. I don't know where you got this fake life from. And the good part of you is far bigger than the bad part of you. So listen, irrespective of everything that has happened, I am still here for you. Any day, anytime you need anything from me, just say it. I will still do it for you. Okay? I've forgiven you. I've forgiven you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Somto, I am forever indebted to you for doing this for me. Thank you.
You're welcome, sister. Sister, I have something to tell you.
Really? Out with it.
The thing they shame me to talk, and they fear.
Just say it, please.
Oga Brian say make I marry am, but I dey fear.
What are you waiting for? Oh my goodness God. This is good news. I am happy for you. Please, I beg you, Somto, marry him. You're the only person that will take care of him for me, please. I am sincerely happy for you guys. Congratulations. I approve. Get married to him. I mean, this is the best news ever. I mean it.
Sister, thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. Congratulations.
I don't agree to marry you now. Where you keep that ring?
Come here.
I am so happy for you both. And that reminds me, I have been talking to Mama for the past 3-4 days now. She has forgiven me.
Oh, good news.
Thank
good
God.
News. Double good.
Thank God. Hey.
I'll be traveling next week to Canada.
Another good news.
I want to change my base. I need to pick up my broken pieces of my life and then forge ahead.
Sister, I will miss you. I will miss you so much.
We all miss you.
I know. Don't worry, we'll be talking from time to time, okay? But first, take care of Brian for me.
Thank you.
Please. It's okay.